And amidst the sharp surge that we're seeing in coronavirus cases here in the national capital, you've got Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who's going to be chairing an all-party meeting shortly. The meeting has been called to discuss measures to contain coronavirus in the capital. This is coming in as Delhi on Wednesday reported 7,000 fresh cases, taking its active case tally to 42,458. Not only that, Delhi also witnesses highest single-day death count till date. 131 new deaths due to coronavirus were recorded in the past 24 hours itself, taking Delhi's death toll to over 7,900. Now, this is a very crucial meeting coming at a time when hospital beds in the capital are facing a massive crunch. In a tweet, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that in the next few days, 63 beds are going to be added in Delhi. Along with this, the centre as well has pledged to add 750 ICU beds in the capital to counter the shortage of beds. Meanwhile, Home Minister Amit Shah has once again stepped up to flatten the COVID surge in Delhi. In fact, the Health Ministry has set up 10 multidisciplinary teams to visit over 100 private hospitals in Delhi to assess the coronavirus situation. The DRDO as well has swung into action, adding 250 new ICU beds. Indian Railways is going to be providing 800 beds. Delhi battling coronavirus crisis on a war footing, getting some reactions coming in. Listen in, and then we're being joined by Aishwarya live from Delhi.
दिल्ली सरकार के जितने हॉस्पिटल्स हैं उनमें हमें उम्मीद है कि अगले कुछ दिनों के अंदर 663 आईसीयू बेड्स टोटल जो 238 जीटीबी के हैं वो मिला के 663 आईसीयू बेड्स हम लोग अगले कुछ दिनों में बढ़ा देंगे। केंद्र सरकार ने हमें 750 एडिशनल बेड्स डीआरडीओ की फैसिलिटी में देने का एश्योरेंस किया है। उसके लिए हम केंद्र सरकार के शुक्रगुजार हैं। तो लगभग दोनों मिला के 1400 के करीब एडिशनल बेड्स अगले कुछ दिनों के अंदर मैं समझता हूँ आईसीयू बेड्स तैयार हो जाएंगे।
Aishwarya is now joining us here from the national capital for all the very latest. Aishwarya, Delhi seems to be battling coronavirus on a war footing. And, you know, Delhi is interestingly facing a double whammy of sorts. The air quality deteriorating every year this time around with the stubble burning, contributing to a deteriorating AQI here. On top of that, COVID crisis rising, the markets being flooded. There was a huge amount of speculation rife that perhaps certain markets may be identified by the Delhi government and perhaps may go in for a partial shutdown of these markets as well. How true are these speculations at the moment? If you could just clarify that.
Well, let me tell you, Cheti, the need of the hour is definitely for the government to take some very stringent actions. And the numbers, they are telling a very true story. We are seeing 131 people dying in 24 hours. This is the highest that we have seen till date ever since people got the news of COVID coming to the country. So the need of the hour definitely is for the government to take some action. A very crucial all-party meeting will begin shortly. From what we understand, Arvind Kejriwal government will be putting all the options on the table, and a crucial discussion will take place amongst all the political parties on the next step. Let me also tell you, one of the things which the government is now looking at doing is maybe shutting some of the markets. Those markets, we have seen visuals. Cheti, people are just flooding markets. There is no social distancing. People are not wearing masks. Keeping all these things in view, we expect the Kejriwal government to come out with some kind of action plan by end of today. Back to you, Cheti.
One more thing, Aishwarya, is for the people who are from the national capital who are watching today. There's a fair amount of panic, as in there is a shortage of beds. The central government has also stepped in to help out the state government. There is help coming in from the railways as well. What is the kind of situation in terms of the beds that are available in the COVID facilities in the national capital? Because the numbers are surely painting a very scary picture. They are going on a rise. Social distancing norms have been put for a toss as well in these markets, like you were rightly mentioning. What does one do? What is the situation with beds? Is there any reason to panic at the moment?
Well, let me tell you, there is definitely some reason to panic, and that's because of the number of cases which are coming out, Chetty. Also, there is a shortage of beds. Both private as well as government hospitals are now coming out and saying they do not have beds, especially ICU beds. That's the reality of the national capital. Most of the doctors and experts at the moment are, in fact, advising people to stay indoors and only to step out when it is extremely necessary. What we are seeing, especially during the festive season, what we did see, people flooding the streets, people flooding the market, no social distancing. This also, according to some, is one of the reasons why we are seeing these kind of numbers. And let me tell you, some reports also talk about the fact that we rise in the next 15 days. That could be an impact of the kind of people which came out during the festive season. So yes, definitely a shortage of beds. Kejriwal government, however, saying they are doing everything possible to make sure shortage of bed does not stay for long.
131 deaths in 24 hours itself, and that is the reality of the national capital. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for bringing us up to speed with the very latest.